man, this thing is big. With the holidays finally settling down a little bit, it's time to get this Pro Moto opened. I've had it sitting around here for a couple of weeks. Just haven't had time to open it with you all. But with Pole Position Winter Series coming back, that's right, you heard me. ARRMA Winter Series is back. And that's going to include a Pro Moto MX 2-race series. So I got to get this thing out of the box and get it ready to go racing. So, today's the big box opening of the Losi Pro Moto. I've been waiting a long time because I wanted a green one. And I completely understand that all that means is I bought a bunch of stuff in here that I'm not going to use. And we're going to take a look at all that useless stuff that I bought today. All right. So the dang thing's bigger than the table I'm working on, but that's all right. So, like I said, I wanted the green one, so I paid a little bit more than some of the other ones for the specific color. And I know all you keyboard cowboys that are about to tell me, oh, you could have just bought the plastic fairings and replaced them and didn't have to buy all those extra parts. Completely understood. I bought the extra parts. So anyways, like you'd expect, you have your standard Pro Moto manual, all the good information. We'll leave that for later. We're going to get to the meat and potatoes of the RC. I've never actually owned an RC motorcycle, so the first thing that comes out of the box is a cool little Pro Moto stand. And once again, like I said, I paid more for the green, so let's enjoy it. Look at that, it's green. I hope they're all not green. I hope the blue ones are blue and the red ones are red and the green one's green, so it's special, but I'm not sure. Anyways. Alright, so we got a stand. Here's the freaking motorcycle. Isn't that cool? It comes with a raincoat. It's a rainy day outside, and he came dressed appropriately. That's perfect. Alright, how do we get him out of the bag? That's the question. Okay, so here it is. Boom. Paid big bucks for the green. Probably 50 bucks more. Enjoy it. I'm a Kawasaki, guys. So, gotta enjoy it. Alright. Now, this stand should hold said motorcycle. It goes like that. Perfect. Alright, we got that figured out. So now, the other stuff that I bought that I don't need. This battery. I'm going to charge this and use it once because I have it. But that's probably all it's going to get used. I have a message into my buddy right now on what battery I need to run with this thing. So, Losi came out with a great design, and I've already driven one of these. I drove one of my buddies. They came up with a great design, and this motorcycle, inside of it, has two motors. Okay, one of the motors powers a flywheel, which keeps it upright, keeps it going straight, and the other motor powers the actual RC. Alright, so when you buy the green one, you get this little 5,000 milliamp hour LiPo battery. The concern is with the flywheel, with the two motors, the flywheel and the actual motor, I don't know how long this thing's going to last going around Warm Springs Raceway. So, I'm probably going to need to get a bigger battery, but we're going to throw a couple charges at this one just so I can say I used it. Because like I said, it's one of those useless things that I bought and I paid more for that I don't really need. Another useless part that I bought and I paid more for and I don't really need in this box is this, I think. And this, I hope, is a useless USB charger. And I'll probably never use this. I'm probably just going to throw it away, but that's all right. We have it. All right. Back to business. What else do we have here? We have the starting stand, which you can set it up in to get it rolling. So that's good. We'll put that to the side. We have some batteries for the radio. That's a plus when it comes with batteries and the radio. Okay. We got a radio, some batteries. What is this? We got some chain lube. I'm going to lube that chain up. We got a box of miscellaneous plastic pieces. I'm not really sure what's in here. Guess I'm going to have to read all the mumbo jumbo in that manual to figure out what's included in this bag. Or else you guys can comment below what comes in this thing and what's it for. I know I see the foam here for the battery, but I don't know what all that other stuff is. Alright, and then we got a handful of tools and wrenches because it's most of our first motorcycles. It's my first motorcycle, so we probably don't have the tools and wrenches that we need to make it run. Anything else in the box? No. Alright, so that is the box of parts and pieces. And we've showed you all the useless stuff that we bought that we don't really need, and we've explained to you why we don't need it. Now let's talk about the motorcycle itself. So, let's see here. It's great. It's a great motorcycle. Very, very realistic, and the functionality is pretty awesome. The rear fender, for when you're doing those 12 o'clock stands, moves to try to eliminate the amount of times that you break it. I'm not going to say that it's going to eliminate them completely. I'm going to say it's going to try to eliminate them. Because I've seen plenty of these break, and I've seen lots of guys replacing them. People are doing a lot of wheel stands on these things. The front shocks, very realistic, work very well. And there's also a little play this way. So if you were to case a jump, it's not just going to break the front end off the bike. So that was a great design element that Losi added to it. I've heard there's some issues with the housing for the brake cable since it is a mechanical brake system, but we'll have to see if we have any problems with that. Since I did say we're going to be taking this thing out to Warm Springs Raceway for an on-road race, we had to get the additional the Proline Supermoto tires. So I'm going to be pulling off the dirt tires, putting the discs on here and the sprockets on these Supermoto tires, and we're going to be getting these installed because this thing's going to be going around a fifth scale on-road track. We're going to get a bunch of them out on a fifth scale on-road track and race them. So that's going to be awesome. And that's why I had to get this thing unpacked. Get it unpacked and set up for the racetrack. And start learning how to drive it. A lot of people are doing a lot with the guys, changing the clothes on the guys, things like that. I know a lot of people remove these rookie bars to make them lean more, and I'm probably going to pull the bars off them too. They don't seem really needed with the two motor flywheel design. This thing's really sturdy and just handles super well. So not too concerned about how the bike rides, and I'm going to want to dip and dive it through these corners at Warm Springs. So anyways, this is the new Losi Pro Moto, and I know it's not new anymore, but it's new to me. Because of this nice shiny green color. Did we all enjoy that? Because I paid a lot more for it. And I bought a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. And the next time you see it, we're going to be replacing some parts and pieces on it, and we're going to be getting it ready for the track. And you're not going to want to miss that. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.